So this is it, look, new job. So we're going to take this wall to it, then it's going to have pillars up, and then it goes all the way down there. We're just making it higher because it's really low at this side. I think it's having new pillars down here. There's a bit of wall to change where it's bad. But that is what we're cracking on. We're going to have to set this down first and get a couple of panels off. Oh, some of it's hard, isn't it? We're able to reuse all this stone as well. Some of it's not bad. That's it's not even stone, that is it? Yeah.
We're doing this with all pillars?
No, well, I don't know. I don't think so. This one, it's going that high, it's going to the top of the pillar anyway. Wall's going to go this high anyway, so it might as well go mine. It's easy to just line the whole lot in it, and then rebuild pillar back on top. So I got them panels down. I've took that post down because that's in the way, and then this has had to come down here because all that will wreck. So I'm going to have to step it in, and then he's going to fill it. Let's step it in a bit there. I'm just going to lay a couple. I've picked a bit of sand and cement up for today, and then we'll just lay a couple on this back and see how it goes. I've picked a load of ties up because we've got this ain't filled, and I don't really want to fill it because it might push it over down there. Tim's just getting a mix on, so we'll get a few laid, and then we'll make a big start tomorrow when rested gear comes. Right, just bedded one on each end, and then we've got some real big bow on it here, like so far that is. Look, I think I'm gonna have to pull it out and just have a little small bend up wall. These are pillar going in. So I'll pull it back, and then we'll slowly, gradually try and get it back because it's leaning a fair bit anyway. Like. Right, it's another day. We're just raking this out because I couldn't get sand and cement, so we've got MKM here now. He's just delivering. He can't get into the yard, so we're gonna have to put it there. So it's sand and cement, a bit of lime to mix in. Yeah, so we're about here. So we're gonna get this up today, and then what we'll do is we'll rake this out, what they're doing now, and we'll repoint that so it's all the same colour. So we'll crack on today. I've just done that bit. I've just walked away.
12 million new homes by the end of the decade, and we're making by speeding up planning decisions. David Thomas, the chief executive.
Push the button.
Alright, thank you, Claire. Here we go. It's the Sonic car. 3 minutes past. Turn up the radio. It's the latest single to be taken from the band's forthcoming 10th studio album, Great Western Road, which is out a week on Friday, March 21st.
Right, it's looking pretty good. We've been out a couple of times. This isn't just done in a day. This is a few days, probably 4 days I think it's took us to get this in. Well, three and a half days because we took fence down for first half day, and then I'll go around and show you back in a minute. So I've lined it up and I've had to pull it as straight as I can because it had a big weave on. So there's a pillar there, and once fences on it, it'll look straighter. These are copings that are going on, so I've had to pull it out as well so it fits them. It's a little bit of overhang here, and then I've managed to pull all that one out so it fits them, because he ain't bothered about overhang. He's wanting them flat. But yeah, we've got loads to do yet. So it starts up here, drops there, goes down there, and then he's gonna make some panels for this, because this is where all this collapsed. Look, and it's had to be took down. So that will, he's not having a pillar there because it'll hit that tree. So the fence is going to join into it, and then it won't damage this wall again. It goes all the way down there, and we've got a pillar to build. A gate man just coming out to have a look at this thing here, gates and stuff. So we've got to rebuild pillars, a tree stump to take out. So right, we'll crack on with that in a minute, which will be Monday for us, and get all this done. Oh yeah, that's back, look. That's how high it is, front ground on back. Quite high. That's sort of pillar that got damaged with tree. Yeah, it looks really good to me, that. Right, I've got that on and it's lying in alright now. I just built that up for now because it will start falling over if I put too much on. Then we've got a bit of a gap down here, so I've just been filling in like that, look, and that'll stop that from going anywhere. But yeah, feels like we're getting somewhere now, putting copings on. I know we've got a lot to do yet, but at least this little bit will be finished. So ready, lovely. I at least somewhat. Yeah, we'll just stop lying on there. Yeah, odd line on them. Have a look. Got it? Perfect. Straight there, yeah, that'll do. Right, gate guys that you could hear yesterday have cut these off, and we need to take this tree out, so we've ordered a digger. So we're going to get that out now, that big tree stump. Right, we're going to leave this video here. I haven't finished this wall off yet, so we're just in the process of finishing it. So I'll get the rest of the videos on as soon as we get this wall finished. I did a guy drive by and stop the other day called Nigel, who watches YouTube, which was pretty cool. stopped and told us he watches this channel all the time and that. So yeah, thanks Nige. And right, that's it. I'm calling it. I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. That's that bit there.